everybody, I am Frida Stocker, and I just made my breakfast. It's 8:15 now. I had just got off of a long weekend with my kids, and I took them to school in a thunderstorm this morning. It was pouring rain, thundering, lightning. Bismillah. So good. I have broccoli, imitation crab, and egg white. I have coffee, Nescafe, and fat-free half and half in here. The spices in my eggs are Old Bay seasoning because of the imitation crab. And I found out that Old Bay seasoning is actually low sodium, so it's not overly salty. And I put a little black pepper and a little of that buttery popcorn seasoning from Dollar Tree, which is also low sodium. I cooked the broccoli. I steamed it first before I made this because they don't burn if they're already steamed. They don't have that scorched broccoli smell like they do if you put them in the skillet raw. I don't want to go anywhere this morning because it's just raining too much. I stayed up late last night watching Wentworth. I think I just started the 4th season. It's got 7 seasons. It is a very good show on Netflix. After I put the kids to bed last night, I watched a couple of episodes. So good. One day I just took a notion to toss in a handful of imitation crab chunks, and it was so good. I've been doing it ever since. because I had that imitation crab in my freezer and I didn't really know how to use it. I found it on sale once at Kroger. I'm gonna have to be taking steroids for a while. Not cool. My asthma keeps coming and flaring until I have bronchitis. So good like this. This is so low fat, low sodium, high lean protein. No sugar added, no carbs. On Friday night, I went to the hospital. Or was it Saturday? Yeah, it was Saturday. Because my hernia had a spasm. The muscles around my hernia had a severe spasm, and I was worried about it maybe twisted my gut or something. It's not the first time that happened, but the ER doctor told me not to worry if I can't exercise, just to keep eating right. He said 90% of weight loss is diet. So I'm sticking to it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a good week.